In this video, I'll show you how to replace the thermostats on your electric water heater. Now, in addition to an upper and lower thermostat, you'll also need a screwdriver and a multimeter. You don't want to replace the thermostats if that's not what the issue is. Check out my video on how to troubleshoot an electric water heater. And if you're still having problems, give me a call at minutemanpro.com. The very first thing we'll do is turn the power to the heater off. Next, we'll take the top panel off. Remove that, get some tape, and tape these out of the way. Carefully remove this plastic cover. Now, we did turn the power to the unit off, but let's verify that. We'll take our multimeter and we'll test for power on these top two screws. It should be 0 volts. All I'm getting is millivolts, so we are good. Now we'll start taking these wires off. This is the upper thermostat, and there is 6 wires connected to this that we need to take off and pull to the side. So I will loosen these set screws here. Real quick, before you pull these wires off, take a picture. You can also find an electrical diagram online pretty easily. I'll go ahead and disconnect them and pull them off into the side. Now that I have the wires disconnected, this pin right here and this one right here is what's holding this thermostat in place. Pry it back and take one side off at a time. It can be a little difficult, but with a little bit of muscle, you'll get it. There's one, there's the other one, and it goes straight up, down and out. Now I have my new thermostat here. I'll go ahead, slide this up and get it behind those tabs and push this thing down into place. There we go. I have my new thermostat in place, and I'm going to reconnect these wires. Refer to the electrical diagram or the picture that you took. Make sure you get them on the right terminals. After you've connected all of these, go ahead and make sure that these screws down here are nice and tight. Now that we have the wires connected and you verified that they're in the right spot, and you double checked all of your terminals, including the bottom ones, make sure they're nice and tight, you can put your plastic cover back on there. Bottom insulation comes up first. Pull these wires over, kind of hold them in place. Top insulation comes down, and the cover goes back on. And we'll go ahead and move to this bottom thermostat. Now we'll take this bottom panel off, pull these, tape them out of the way, and pull this plastic cover off. Now this bottom thermostat is much more simple. You only have 2 wires on here, right here on the top and right here on the bottom. We'll go ahead and loosen those. Pull the wires out into the side. Now that I have those disconnected, I can go ahead and pull this thermostat out. Same deal, it has these tabs. There we go. Pull the thermostat up and out. I have my new thermostat in place. I'm going to put these wires back on, one on the top, one on the bottom. And again, I'm going to go ahead and check these 2 screws down here on the water heater element. Make sure they're nice and tight. Put the plastic panel back on. Bottom insulation goes in first. Pull that wire over. Top insulation comes down. And we put the panel back on. Now that we've replaced the thermostats, you can go ahead and turn the power back on. There you go. Pretty easy to replace the thermostats on your water heater. And if you still can't get it figured out, give me a call at minutemanpro.com and I will help you over the phone.